From the Oil City, this is Connect 97.1 FM.
Morning, no.
Official person.
I feel about you know.
Affidence say in the Bibiara ye.
Emeno, Nenya Kopona Gaza, why and Adam, may night, why come.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Mufa Kumedu, Minchia with you Kanka, with you for Sydney. Now, Mamopia would say in Afishapa. I see, seeing Yakoponadum, maybe sending Wabum, and I buy a boy Wabum.
Amen.
Boom, so. I say, even though time for merrymaking was then the commemorate the birth of young Savior and a Christopher Jesus Christ. But actually, was then the we are how people come out now. Why people see drivers now, road users now, even commuters now the wanna obey. All the activities are well Sekondi takrabi putomanto no kawinda actually yes right.
Wonderful, wonderful. On about Nyemeke Charles so baka yano ngene nyina ya bomezi bronyan e wo sekune wonderful.
Papa one and then ochira or hot days for parliament. And see revenue bills being no kakawuna and appropriations and budget processes no. Order be we and son at 31st December. So, see, do busy now, Nunda Nochna, busy now. Yami Adama, actually, been arise depending on how early able we now. About was in a Takradina is born and year more Papa. Make sure I was there and party will be nominations ended up.
Oh, yes, Yatsura Sekondi, Binwell Pico. Oh, now Auntie Narasro. And for one serious.
Every
and what about when for one serious?
Oh, well, about your Bobesi. Then the Deepak matter that was Nazo or pay.
Yes. And your park is Moses.
In a matter, Mamma, but I've heard. And the I wish him the best.
Okay.
Wonderful,
wonderful. Yeah, I like that. Yes, obviously, yes.
It is obviously.
Yes, never not say.
Bibia was a man proposes,
God disposes. Yes, that is true.
And the
that is true. Honorable, and I pay what constituency who chrome sekune. Ukrom Sekondi, one was radio no world say radio and a pay it can in patani biara. Aya credits 109, no one else will go odo. And so no one constituents and about 90% of them are what would say radio, what would say when there and a pay. And that many NDC parliamentary candidate, Sekondi, Blay Armah, Yesin Komo. Na uncommon for baby wa a pedebem cacronable, Yenseo.
No, but that's it. And that will be. Send them audio recording of the program with
Blay Armah.
Armah Blay.
Yes.
Minchia and pay. Na one booming Susampara. But I'm there, MP from work on us and there because it should be on the Lura. Was there a Bakaya last 2-3 months.
Yes.
Or indicated no loan program there or I mean essentially Marco stop bank no from supporting the program not at all. My baby free mom Aquina the minimum who be an became there was no truth whatsoever in them assertion. And I know that so and younger Casano, there was some indication there. For no quick in one, my only at the Mugino. Will be a cup from one, my last stop was a bus stop, my bank manager also, and all sorts of things, suggesting those same individuals know, especially myself, was stopping. Remember. Chama catch you one bomb.
Yes, aka, yes.
I'm a lawyer, you. Me a lawyer, I law school. Maybe
Egyapa Mercer, no being a lawyer. Obi your lawyer. Wanna know your lawyer?
Oh, remember. Now, into my cousin be a minim, but mama can medicine. With all respect.
Oh yes.
They started by saying that one bomb is. But there's been previous allegations, sir. Or the middle battle. My boy freedom, but him. There no quite behind him. And they say in the conversation now, it suggests that everyone was starting, what could stop the first one. And now, what stop the second one is also really. Now, Mercer, Nyemeke Blay Armah from Mofomuma Yenini. Minine dinkomo in private there. Any politics, yaman no kwar onzi enimo. Osande se yaman no kwar onzi enimo. Na ebejina radio do na kasam enim there. Ibere ka ekwenompo no onimo hwia. Then people are forced to dig your background and expose you. Right? Osande our kasa NDC candidate, you are what person like I said the Sekondi. It's a complete falsehood that he himself represents. And he said, "I'm not about politics now." Then we all would be compelled to respond to some of these issues. When there, and then I'm after the council. Now what you do? After Nyemeke Blay Armah, now what you do? Cool running. Or your council will be crudo. Dana ni register bi amdo e lawyer ni. Eko England so a wa bonne brawat na o claim do a lawyer ho. Eko Solicitors Regulatory Authority. He is not listed as a lawyer on that platform. Eko bar one register, he's not there. Englishman Musu, you are either a barrister or a solicitor. The major so or you're very regulated. Everybody who is a member of those two organizations are listed online. You are not, but you claim to be a lawyer to the people of Sekondi. And any in the house when I don't know whether his lawyer know or by inheritance another school. All these things
honorable.
Yes.
By extension, Europea catch right in the day. Or that on your lawyer, or that lawyer.
He's not a lawyer. He himself knows. Call him right now and tell
on your lawyer. Uncle law school.
Mercy. Echo internet da. All people who are lawyers in England were online. Two sources: Solicitors Regulatory Authority and a bar council. Go there and go and check. You can search his name. As of yesterday evening,
good.
He is not listed on any of these sites as a lawyer in England. So, Mercer say, "Damn no pede politics now. We'll go ahead and do it."
Yeah, you have a will respond. You be sent there.
Otherwise, no. Mercer.
Honorable.
Yes.
E when na mepede ya exhaust once and ya kwenyenim. You have a friend wa worry acts. You be sent there. Wa law school abaya lawyer. And now she there was a tone one number from a broom. On until your friend a lawyer, Blay Armah na lawyer, Armah Blay. You baby son there on your lawyer number or your number from a zina was a tone into your down your friend a lawyer. Or then Uncle Sober no clear. It's your friend.
About my friend,
producer raise minimum. Raise Armah Blay Armah. Now, honorable, I was so one summoned into no producer raise an abba.
It's much there. Offend there. Ne bank. Who are you only doing command my minimum bank? My caps will be my cost stopping. Sabi you are. If you there, them program no ye and a opinion of more to Abamana. That's fine. And build so that master will let me a candidate from a party was Sekune. I'm a certain member of parliament. I'm not a candidate for the next election. And to say, I don't know party for him there. I'm in a meeting I want to name for election 2024. Then I will also begin my campaign.
But Gina do by 10 seconds, Mamma. Demarcana, you release Armah Blay Armah, Yenara Yabumina Yaye. And see, Honorable Andrew Egyapa Mercer, Reginald just 30 seconds, 1 minute, mum. May you raise Armah Blay Armah. Number Waba respond to lawyer Egyapa Mercer and claim a day Armah Blay on your lawyer, Uncle Law School Biarent no. Listen in your book, baby, or your lawyer. Umba response, you natural there, as some of you might da one command as sodo. And so no one be now with Jinado. Lawyer, Mr. Armah Blay, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Uncle Maya, you is in a pay was so good.
Much good, Papa.
Wonderful, and so no, what a wound ya. Sekuna you back, Kofi Egyapa message in a do and a pay. Or trauma there was in a beer and you book whom baby or beer one day, a lawyer. And so a lawyer no for one, on him or your zina yabo from and was a two. Eben asam na waka won.
My brother. My minchi Sekune Queen na minchi my brother Egyapa Mercer. Na minchi obi biara na so gudu olite me da wa sepada am da makwenyi. Today obi sa my brother Andrew Egyapa Mercer there. Say ano no so onyima pa na won bi send 2006 ben share ne there no ye djuma wo NGO all fair there ordinary djuma mpu ordinary mama that time no wanyima abefi. Number 2 then na aye lawyer Andrew Egyapa Mercer onyimpe fere mako university wa brochi maka ye law mako law practice school okita transcript ni nyinara won bi friend there ma se mi ameke moboa mara minimum bia odi da me transcript and a results ni nyinara okita Andrew Egyapa Mercer there I know what to see about the results slip or the about to powder omo bia le great onye ya. He has got all those. Made 3-year LLB. In a 1-year law practice school. Or we need Nara. The man said me, Ujinado, one be send them as some American Moboa. Area I am sure.
Good. Honorable Mercer, Pacho, you are not.
I could see.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Poladomatri. Right?
Yes. The journalist.
Na me no law faculty or University of Ghana. Mpocho Poladomatri or a lawyer.
I mean, Muntumin, Tredo, a lawyer, no, a lawyer.
One be send Okitama results list in Nara. In the mid-grade, both LLB and law practice. Okay, yes or no. Yes or no. Okitama results list, yes or no.
Yes, honorable.
I would host. Maybe some question.
What's okay?
Maybe one.
All right.
Can you ask your guest to hold on to why I respond?
All right, and say no honorable answer. Answer. No question.
Meaning results slip. Ne youth organizer Emmanuel.
Thank you.
Sekondi NDC.
Thank you.
Send them letter B issued by Law Society. But Mercy say echo solicitors regulatory authority for UK lawyers, where 2 types of lawyers in England. You are either a barrister who is regulated by the Bar Standards Board. Echo one website. Ibia or your barrister bia nizilu ho. Echo ne a search Armah Blay Armah. Enhu ibia ho
or your barrister or England or friend Blay Armah. And your solicitors are. Solicitors are regulated by the Solicitors Regulatory Authorities. Echo one website, solicitors register. If they are or your solicitor or England, UK, they are Nizen Wado. Echo Honor a setter, and he Blay Armah Woho as a lawyer. And see, as to whether law school, law school, to the extent that you are not registered or regulated as a lawyer by these two institutions, you cannot hold yourself out as a lawyer. Okay. In fact, what he is doing there, the deception ordinary or claim there or your lawyer when he's not. I feel very offended when I hear him put on this billboard lawyer Armah Blay Nyemeke Blay, because he's not.
No, honorable.
Very simple. Go to the website and find out whether he is listed as a barrister.
I will He's not going to allow me to talk.
Okay, honorable Mercer, I responded to what's me.
I asked him a simple question. He's not been able to answer yes or no.
Now, who's going to be what results will post to them?
Mercer,
your results are not posted to me.
Bobo. Mama got some control. I'm a man, maybe so. It was just a simple question, yes or no. I would have moved on to the next one. Now, I can't the debris.
Move to the next one. You and I'll move to the next one.
Because you are trying to deceive the people. I mean, or the magistrate or the monk. One friend. No screen show message. I want to call him. Yes. Now me you what you come every day, every night. I mean me need to go every day, every night. But me I into the America. It's American answer. But no, but the primary contact. I just P. Mama Gaza.
Me too, Kasa.
Law school area. You get admitted. Ne area apply for license to practice.
Good.
I mean, me my politics. So it's my friend, H.E. Hammond, Wally, what friend minister, H.E. barrister, UK. Your BB, none of you don't own you. What friend of good standing and not in good standing. Okay, not in good standing. That means you didn't pick up a license to practice. I make a judge, I think. Egyapa Mercer don't own you. It's not to know that we stand or the chase of
Inti,
UK. Once you pick up a license to practice now, you are audited every year. You are accountable. But the other one is a very serious business. So once I decided I'm never Ghana, no, my politics. I decided not to register to pick up a license. Into the answer now, I mean, you can say I'm not in good standing.
Okay.
And that is what it is. And to make an answer. If I want to go back and practice, I just have to pick up my license. As long as I make a test, as for solicitors regulation, you were able to make the license without practicing, able to make the license and practicing, and then you choose not to take it. So I took categories. You have a porter. It's once you want to register and take up the license, you just get into your port online. I mean, you Ghana, you know, and register. Then apply for the license. In
order,
the ministry, I would have been in front of you and opened my portal under the SRA for you. I don't make a day say, American. And once you haven't completed your law school and passed all your exams, you can't even finish your training. I finished my training. It is all there. I had a real law school 1 year, 9 years. Training, your friend training contract. Meaning your friend pupillage. Echo barrister, your friend pupillage. SRA, solicitor, I had a training 2 good years. By shadowing a senior solicitor in chambers for 2 solid years. I finished all those trainings. The more one into mobile water made that job. Into one is trying to deceive people. I am here. I am here, Uncle Papa. 206. I was in law school. 10 years. I was in law school. In my final year, in the way before term, I may be issue with mayor. Mercer no in the mini Egyapa Mercer. Where we are no law school because I am here, Uncle. Who's a me, Uncle Papa? That time no only any people. Be said. Open a ya watama. Ane ano. Ane ya watama. Open a obaba from your pay. I no you. Be said that time no problem me be na no. Kwa from Egyapa. I'm a Mendina. Now, Mr. Committee 2.5 years, or now almost 3 years. Into Mokwano, not sure. I didn't say such a law school girl. And the bag was I did another LLB for 3 years, and I paid £10,000 each. And I did my LPC, which is the law training, another £10,000.
Yes.
I'm able to get £40,000 standing. I'm the alone.
Internet therapy, kind of there. License pen NG does not practice on prevent you from being called a lawyer.
Coming to Ghana, I'm going to Ghana. If you haven't said it in vetting, you need your license to practice either in good standing or a license as a solicitor without practicing. That means a soliciting advice. You know, legal advice to be like consultant. UK or American jet.
Yes.
Actually, you can't put applications in court. No,
oh yes, yes. And Piatra there.
Only a solicitor without.
Remember, until Piatra there. License and engine as a practice in so quandam from lawyer. Damn Piatra.
No. What? Yes. And this nonsense. Today, this case. If I don't take the license, I wouldn't be able to go to court and represent people.
But on prevent would over from lawyer until the man.
But you finish your training and everything.
Okay.
So you can't hold yourself out as a solicitor to go and represent people or give advice. That is a criminal offense.
Okay.
I'm not making sense.
Yes.
Today I was Ghana.
Yes.
Now, law school, and if you don't have a license to practice, you can't go out and see clients and go to court. Will you be able to do that?
And see, my mama, lawyer Andrew Egyapa Mercer, and say lawyer, auntie, I'm a Blay Armah. Yente.
I will say,
yes, sir.
Mankai, there 2006, with deporting him over Ghana, no law school. I don't remember. Secondly, Mr. I mean, I will call to the bar for Ghana. When you are called a license or your automatic. However, Ghana. Oh, Chairman, I can't say anything in the phone either. Mikita, as I speak to you, I have the website of the Solicitors Regulation Authority. Also, look up for the records of solicitors and law firms regulate. Search the tab to see both firm and person results. This register to
But lawyer Erma Yakuhe what I catch right there. On your license, so he cannot be part.
Stop deceiving the people. Stop deceiving
register is
deceiving people. Oh, deceiving people. Stop listening. The man on the sister say, what is the Nyemeke maybe with circulate.
But that will not deter me.
I will say.
Not deter me.
Yes, lawyer, I'm a blay or Piatra, yes. Says here on Kita license. Oman kon mo ya barrister na so the solicitor no Damazan American equal Damalink who in one is in war Damanorica.
Merba, Yabuter. And what is on the website? The
people. Stop the people. Quality. Never yet a better could stand the perception I could some for any purpose. I mean, I have told everybody I have not taken a license to practice because I'm coming to Ghana. You never any license to practice, so better wouldn't have a get you a barrister. I'm a barrister. Mr. Barrister, a listen, because he has not taken a license to practice. He has to come to Ghana and then do politics. It will stop the line.
Okay, Yente, Japan Mercer is a Kakrana, Yan from Brevi. I can't say Yente also.
Let's say Echo website, it makes a categorical statement that this register only the definitive impartial source of information about the law firms and people regulated by solicitors regulation authorities. Now, if say one metal to the solicitors register, now a member of the solicitors regulatory authority in England, you are a member. The fact that Angel license in 1 year does not make you a non-member. It only says that because you haven't renewed your license, you cannot practice law. But your membership does not cease. That is why able to come back at any time. Go and get your license back.
I'm a blame and respond to one. Yes, I think Kofi, it will point to a hole. I'm a pedal. I'm a one year below the belt and Pacho on your coffee. You man can I
yeah, we're bien. As a part of she, it goes better to say, yeah, we're bien. Yeah, we're practicing solicitors. I want Wendy home. A non practicing solicitors. As long as they say, as long as another.
But
I am the license. We got a porter. I don't know. I can't I will keep my porter for you. No one is still I train. I'm saying now.
Okay. All right.
So you leave your portal open. And the one license, I think it's simple.
Okay.
It register. It contains I wonder why the full license to practice as solicitors.
Okay. So no.
In a non-practicing solicitors who act as consultants and educators. I know you will be doing what you are trained every year. If you are a lawyer, why the organize the whole courses?
Inti Egyapa Blay and young fan some appear the microphone when there's in a who's in a womb, Eben Link and a Mokomo who's in a war.
Keep telling I'm a mini license. License in here. As the publishing. License in here. Sorry, next tonight. The solicitors authority that's not next to each other on the license. They don't do that. They only regulate those that they are giving license to. I'm about to make a journalist. And generally, not any license there but practice journalism in that. You have no BPGJA. I mean, I want the naughty. But once I take up the license, I come under the authority.
Into so far
as a lawyer, I'm make a educator. Or then we can get license. Okay, we can educate solicitors.
Okay.
Then they regulate the activities.
Okay.
So next part, I then we audit home. My license, I keep my porter. Me important how make him on
all right. Nyemeke Blay making a point here. Me pede. Lawyer Mercer so as the final one, but now you end in the waha. And see,
I will make a final one.
I will see.
Yes, sir.
I will see.
Me too.
Armah Blay from Ovini on several occasions.
My catch one can
No,
no. Eja makedo yoko mama catch one can the impocho. It one is a Uncle Mercer Pocho, Mama Watchas and one can ye.
I forget about that one. Let's
Mama,
one can ye.
I don't have any basis to lie about him. Secondly, I recognize that you don't have to be a lawyer to be MP. Not at all. I have privy to a certain information based on publicly available websites. It would tell you what it is that is contained there. Ghana was brought to the bar by the General Legal Counselor, one more certificate. School be able a chartered accountant, one more certificate. A lawyer, one more certificate. A medical practitioner, one more certificate. But the BIA belong to know one rules in terms of how you are in good standing. Every year, the Ghana Bar will publish list of lawyers and which you won't use are in good standing. General Legal Counsel will renew solicitor's license every year, right? But the point is this, that if you go in the role of lawyers in Ghana, if you are a lawyer, the fact that in 1 year, when Jenny News does not take that person's name out of the role. Same applies in England and everywhere.
As it wasn't on your them not say.
Listen, every Sunday there, as a register no two. Second one now, needs to know. That's all.
No.
The second register needs to know. I am happy to withdraw this accusation against him. But until he brings that fact or his certificate that confirms his cause to a certain solicitor's role in England, he cannot hold himself out as one. That's the truth. It is a war. Solicitors Regulatory Authority, you were students, one portal, you were professionals, one portal, you were public portal. Echo professional portal. His name is not there. The portal for the public that tells us who the lawyers in UK are, his name is not there. It is our student portal. Uncle school. Another, all your training their own way. Only public registered solicitor. One rule. What is faithful? And then we have the debate. But until then, that is the publicly available information that confirms that his name is not on any of these registers.
All right. And see,
I'm
a Blay also final one. Yes, sir.
My brother, today. If you love to say, Ghana, immediately you are enrolled. Mama can get taxi. I what 6 months training and Sana. What do you pass? Maybe. My dad show plane there. Why do we have a porter? And a student, you don't have an established porter unless you are on the train. Every LPC might pass. One for law school, one pastor opposite to train this man. It's a major promise. One for law school, one pastor opposite to training this man. You pass your law school before you proceed to train, and that applies for a life.
Okay.
It was when I finished my law school, I proceeded to my training, and then I finished my training. And then I have to apply for my license, and I decided not to practice.
All right, so no matter how many anumu two in na yeze Sahara na meti for nankasa wa judge in common a year is on Sunday. Yakada ya bomu one wadama kwana ba ne yeda hugina ya name. Inti yemfen Sahara na enyizimara my brother Andrew Egyapa Mercer and a Blay Armah one fan cham on a time and inti I.
Obili and the banking project, I know what she said. That is not fair. Now, Pagwezi,
Cousin,
this kind of statement, no,
I'm not scared of anything. And that is the truth. I say about money in the whole quarter check. And the NDC will pick up him, or the nation will pick up pictures. The pictures are what are
Pagwezi.
Cancel.
Pagwezi, people in the world future, a bank manager pictures, and the pictures are what are here.
Pagwezi.
That is the issue I'm asking.
Me too.
Pagwezi,
me too. Kasa.
Why do you sit there and then you are trying to deceive the people?
No. Cancel.
After law school, I better than for training this month. Then in UK, we do that for 2 years.
Cancel. Young family, you need time in NCI.
Okay. Master, listen to any take Java. Honor in the Egyapa Mercer. You're two abandoned as an MP. And you uncle, not a profession, extension of promising and from that.
Okay.
Uncle, not a university of promising and from that. Uncle, not a profession protection plan. Can you go book with 12 in Suta or Guando?
Yente Egyapa, sir. Egyapa also find out what's in the answer.
That is what we voted you for. How is it? I don't know to have a train and they used to go there and do the job. And stop. How is it?
From the Oil City, this is Connect 97.1 FM.